this is Chef City. Welcome in my small kitchen. So in this class, we're gonna make some cheesecake. So if you have any problems with your cheesecake, the problems will be solved with Chef City. So today, we're gonna have two kind of cheesecake. The first one with strawberry decoration, just plain cheesecake, and the second one gonna be Oreo cheesecake. So we're gonna go step by step from scratch, everything. We do everything from scratch to make perfect cheesecake. My recipe, I always try different recipes for cheesecake, and this recipe, I created this recipe by myself to make a perfect cheesecake. So always when I try any recipes, I find some problem. So I decided to solve this problem by myself. So I make this recipe. It's very nice and beautiful. So today you will know how to make your cheesecake. Whoever you are, like if you are chef, you're working in a bakery, you have a business, or you are a fan of pastry, you like the taste and you like the French pastry, you will like this cheesecake. And this cheesecake is so light, you know. It's not like the other cheesecake is too heavy. You feel like it's too heavy. This one is too light because I will give you the right temperature how to bake your cheesecake so it doesn't blow up in the top, and also I will give you the technique how to mix it up the cream cheese. So sometimes some people they use the blender to make the cheesecake or RoboCoupe, or some people they use just the mixer. So sorry, it's delicious, believe me. You have to try it. So you know, when I eat cheesecake, I feel like I want to eat more. Believe me. This is the right cheesecake for you and you're gonna love it. So like I say, if you want to make a home for your family, for your friend, it's gonna be the recipe, the right one for you. And also if you have a bakery or you have any kind of business for the pastry or dessert, this one is the good one. So from the cheesecake, like we know everybody loves cheesecake. Sorry, I lost my mind. So everybody loves cheesecake, like I say, and also when you give them the right one and the good one. So also this one doesn't have a vanilla. I don't use vanilla in my cheesecake. I use only zest of lemon zest. Lemon zest give them some nice texture and nice taste. You feel really eating cheesecake. So like you see here, I have some slices almost finished. When you eat it, believe me, you feel like you wanna finish it. You wanna finish it. And also, the Oreo one is beautiful. So please, let's enjoy this beautiful class together and see you there. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. If you have any problems making your cheesecake, this is the right class for you. Whoever you are, from hobbies or pastries fan to pastry chef, I will teach you the secret how to make perfect cheesecake. I will show you the good biscuit to make the bottom of your cake. Also, you will learn how to mix your cream cheese perfectly nice and smooth. Okay, my friend, I will stop talking right now and I will leave you with this short video. Just don't miss this beautiful class. Come on, man, what are you waiting for?